Good evening. The well-publicized delay to the start of the Red Stripe Premier League is cause for concern. I say concern for two main reasons. The perceived fallout over clubs which would have been preparing for the start of the season this weekend, as well as the negative press being dished out to the title sponsors of the league. In case you missed it, the Jamaica Football Federation on Tuesday suspended the start of the top flight competition until the unresolved matter between the Premier League Clubs Association, PLCA, Montego Bay United, and the referees are sorted out. But on Friday, the PLCA hit back indicating that allegations that they owe money to Mobay United and the league's referees are false. The PLCA said that it was not liable to pay any sums to Montego Bay United because of their decision to withdraw from the association last season. Plus, they were guided by the JFF to let Mobay play without benefits. They also said that the Professional Footballers Association of Jamaica, PFAJ, was responsible for paying the referees. Now, while the 12 teams in the league can continue preparing and may even benefit from additional time to do so, an extended delay may rub title sponsors Red Stripe the wrong way. The fact is, no corporate sponsor wants their brand to be associated with any bad press. And the fact that this dispute between the PLC and Montego Bay United has been lingering since last season could result in the long run in Red Stripe withdrawing their sponsorship of the league, which has already been struggling to attract sponsors. The fact that the PLCA has also apologized to its sponsors for the postponement of the league, which was set to get underway on Sunday, September 3, is not enough, in my view. This is another learning moment for all sports administrators that bad press can serve as a deterrent for corporate sponsors who are spending their hard-earned cash. I am Keon Rayner. Good evening.